I was so excited to get to paint this mural for Walmart, for our 157 Walmart in Cullman. Here, I worked with Joey, the manager there. He had a big list of what he wanted to represent our community based on suggestions that he got on the Walmart Facebook page and from talking to different members of the community. As you can see, I'm working on Luan, smooth plywood, cabinet grade plywood. That's my preference of what to work on. I'm doing the sacrament, the shrine, and representing the fair and agriculture and the airport in this little video. I like to work on Luan, and a good thing for doing this mural is the Luan can be cut to any size that we need, which was necessary because it was an unusual size.